Somewhere along here is Knowe, and I am continuing down here to now Hill in a short while. Well, I made it, and there's a trek point here, and rather beautiful views. More of the forest. The forest that I've just walked through, very pretty, walking between these two parts of the forest, and a very nice contrast to all those logging areas with just those sad tree stumps before. Nice to see. What I'm doing, I'm going now to Craik Cross Hill. It is apparently the remnants of Roman old signalling station, so it will be somewhere in the direction of those trees. So this is Craik Cross Hill. It's a rather good view downhill. There's also some signposts for the local route. Looks very comfortable, but not for me. My route goes somewhere else. Shouldn't be too long now. Hopefully I'll get to the loch where I want to sleep tonight at within an hour. We're getting there. It's a very tough day. Of course, also extremely beautiful. So I am looking forward to relaxing in my tent after all of this, and then of course bring on the next day tomorrow. And before I leave, this is the information about the Roman Craig signal station I was talking about, and what it says is that the circular mound in front of this panel is thought to be the remains of a Roman signal station, and there's an artist's impression of what that might have looked like. And also this says that there used to be a major road here that linked Rayburnfoot in Eskdale Muir with Trimontium, which was near Melrose. It's interesting to get some history on this walk as well.